Here's our 10 tips for walking the West Highland Way.
Number 1, prepare for all weathers. On this one trip, we've actually gone from sun cream to woolly hats and gloves. So make sure you pack everything for all eventualities.
Number 2, however long you think it's going to get somewhere, add at least half again. We found that something that should take 3 hours generally takes about 4.5.
Tip number 3, make sure you pack plenty to drink. Although there are water fill-up points along the route, there are also some places like Rannoch Moor and over the Devil's Staircase where there are no fill-up points at all, so make sure you take enough to drink.
Tip number 4, whilst walking along, always remember, turn round and look behind you. Too often you just keep your head down and keep walking and walking, but some of the views we've seen from behind, quite incredible.
Tip number 5, make sure you have plenty of snacks. It will definitely help keep you going on those long days.
Number 6, if you're near any sort of water, even in April, the midges are out. Make sure you pack some midge repellent and a head net.
Tip number 7, choose your footwear carefully. Don't go buying brand new boots or shoes to do this hiking unless you've broken them in. Make sure it's something your feet are comfortable with.
As you can see, I'm no longer on the West Highland Way. I think I forgot to press record. But, number 8, book your reservations way in advance, whether that be your food, your accommodation, whether it be camping or hotels. And 36,000 people walk this in its entirety each year, so just book up way in advance. Now, back to the West Highland Way. Number 9, don't be afraid to use baggage transfer. Been 80% of people on this walk have had little light day packs on, and obviously not carrying their big packs for the whole walk. However you can do it is worth doing. Don't think it's any less of a challenge by not carrying your pack.
Tip number 10, know your gear. It's no good bringing a tent that you've never used before or a cook system you're not familiar with. So make sure you know what you've got and how to use it all before you come.
Yeah, so that's our 10 tips, guys. I'm sure most people have a different opinion on what's a good tip and what's not, but that's what we found along the way. The rest of it, you really have to just start and walk and work out for yourself. If you're attempting to do the West Highland Way,
which we would recommend.
Which we would definitely recommend, yeah. Plan correctly, it'll just take a lot of stress off and you'll enjoy every moment of it.